Welcome back. Viewer is this particular part, and as I have cleared about the Mayday calls, it's a signal. So writers started giving signals, but there were no response because they were the remotest part of the world. Thereafter, Sue head, that means writer's daughter, her head got swollen very alarmingly, and that means more swollen. She had two back eyes. She had two enormous black eyes, so that means she had two back eyes with a deep cut in her arm. So that condition, that means the eyes became very black, fine, and there's a deep cut in her arm. Now, when writer asked why why she did not tell him about the injuries very early, so she replied, "Father, she did not want him to worry because he was trying to save them all." That means this is called positive attitude. Though their families are in toughest condition, they were nearest to the death, and there was no hope that they can save themselves. But in between, instead of blaming, instead of claiming, instead of making herself disappointed or making other disappointed, she gave courage to her father. And this lesson we should learn from this chapter, which would help us in quarantine nowadays. If we are blaming to other government, we are blaming to others, we are blaming to X, we are blaming to Y. No, there is no use of it. The important is we should be strong enough to fight with the conditions, and we should be united for everyone's, and we should take care of everyone. Along with, we should see what is the demand of the time. Clear? And that she understood at her early age. Now, by morning on January 3rd, the pumps had the water level sufficiently under control for us to take 2 hours rest in rotation, but we still had a tremendous leak somewhere below the water line and on. On checking, I found that nearly all the boat's main rib frames were smashed down to the knee. In fact, there was nothing holding up a whole section of the starboard hull except a few cupboard partitions. We had survived for 15 hours since the wave hit, but Wave Walker would not hold together long enough for us to reach Australia. I checked our charts and calculated that there were two small islands a few hundred kilometers to the east. One of them, Ile Amsterdam, was a French scientific base. Our only hope was to reach these pinpricks in the vast ocean. But unless the wind and the seas abated so we could hoist sail, our chances would be slim indeed. The great wave had put our auxiliary engine out of action. So these two paragraphs I'll explain. So first you should know smash means badly broken. Thereafter kneel. Here the smash means badly broken. Then kneel. Kneel means steel structure along with the base of the ship. Thereafter is very nice here. It is in bold letters, pinpricks in the vast ocean. The pinpricks means a prick caused by the pin. And pinpricks in the vast ocean means two small island, means very small island. When you see something from very far distance, so obviously the another one sizes becomes very small. So the two small islands in the vast ocean, they were very tiny, like a prick caused by the pin, just like a pin. So you can imagine how far they are. That's a distance. Now abated, there is a word which means abated. Abated means something unpleasant, not happy, to become less intense. They were not, that means something which make you demoralize. Then auxiliary engine, Means here's the auxiliary engine, the word, very nice word, very good word in English. That means small secondary engine, another engine used to board ships to operate a windlass in the ship. Clear? Now I'll explain here. So the water level was under control by the morning of January 3rd. And the pump, January 3rd, and all of them took 2 hours to rest in rotation. All of them. They took 2 hours rest in rotation. So 2 hours, writer was having rest. In between, others were doing their work. Then others were having rest. So they, distributed their task. But there's still a leak somewhere below the water line. Upon checking, the boat rib structure was badly broken that he found down the base of the ship. And the whole section of starboard was held together with a few cupboards partitions. Now the ship condition was so bad that it would not make it till Australia. It was very tough. Fine. So the narrator checked the charts. Then he calculated that there was 2 small islands and a few kilometers to the east. One of them was Ile Amsterdam, name of the island, which was a French scientific base. Now their only hope to search and reach that island, but only if, condition is only if the wind and the sea do not cause further damage. Agar wind और sea उनको damage नहीं करते तो, otherwise the chances are very less, very slim. So the wave had destroyed the ship's auxiliary engine also. तो helping engine था auxiliary engine, उसको भी उसने खराब कर दिया, कुछ नहीं बचा. On January 4, after 36 hours of continuous pumping, we reached the last few centimeters of water. Now we had only to keep pace with the water still coming in. We could not set any sail on the mainmast. Pressure on the rigging would simply pull the damaged section of the hull part. So we hoisted the storm jib and headed for where I thought the 2 islands were. Mary found some corned beef and cracker biscuits. We ate our first meal in almost 2 days. But our respite was short-lived. At 4 p.m., black clouds began building up behind us. Within the hour, the wind was back to 40 knots. Knots is a speed of the wind. And the seas were getting higher. The weather continued to deteriorate throughout the night, and by dawn on January 5, our situation was again desperate. Now here's the rigging, most important word, the rigging. Rigging means the ropes and wires supporting the structure of the ship. उस ship के structure को जिस rope से जो उसे support करता है, that's called rigging. Hull means framework of the vessel. And respite means short period of the rest. Deteriorate means getting worse. Clear? And desperate means again dangerous condition. So after 36 hours of continuous pumping on January 4, the water was only few centimeters left to be pumped out. कुछ centimeter तक रह गया था pump out करने के लिए. But they still had to pump out the water which was coming. लेकिन जो पानी और कहीं से आ रहा था उन्हें भी उसे बाहर फेंकना था. They could not set sail on the main mast. Main mast तक तो जाना ही मुश्किल था. They hoisted the storm jib, sailed toward the 2 small islands then, and they had their first meal in 2 days. 2 दिन उन्होंने पहला खाना खाया, corned beef and cracker biscuits. Fine, and that was found by Mary, writer's wife. Now the rest period was short-lived as black clouds built up around 4 p.m. 4 बजे तक black clouds उन्हें घेर लिया black clouds ने. The wind was now 40 knots. 40 knots की उसकी speed थी, and the sea was getting higher. The weather got worse. By the early morning, January 5, the situation was very bad. Desperate means very bad. When I went in to comfort the children, John asked, "Daddy, are we going to die?" I tried to assure him that we could make it. "But Daddy," he went on, "we are not afraid to die, afraid of dying, if we can all be together. You and Mummy, Sue and I." I could find no words with which to respond, but I left the children's cabin determined to fight the sea with everything I had. To protect the weakened starboard side, I decided to heave to, with the undamaged port hull facing the oncoming waves, using an improvised sea anchor of heavy nylon. rope and 222-liter plastic barrels of paraffin. That evening, Mary and I sat together holding hands as the motion of the ship brought more and more water in through the broken planks. We both felt the end was very near. Is a heave refers to raise or lift, and paraffin is colorless flammable oil liquid. Flammable होता है मैंने कि ज्वलनशील पदार्थ होता है. So when the narrator went to comfort his children, his son asked whether they are going to die. The writer tried to assure him that they would make it, they would definitely come out of it. His son replied that they were not afraid to die till they all together. तो उसके बेटे ने कहा कि हमें डरने की जरूरत नहीं अगर हम एक साथ हैं. This filled the narrator with a determination to fight back. इससे तो now narrator got too much courage and he made efforts to protect the weakened starboard, जो सबसे कमजोर starboard side था. He started protecting. He used an improvised sea anchor, एक sea anchor लिया made of heavy nylon rope, एक heavy nylon rope लिया with 222 लीटर, 22 लीटर के प्लास्टिक बैरल्स लिए थे of kerosene. That same in उसी शाम को the narrator and his wife sat holding hands. वो एक दूसरे के हाथ पे हाथ रख के बैठे थे and they believed that the end was near. उन्हें पता था, they knew that their end is very near. They would about to die.